Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best John Deere D130 Spindle is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining the optimal performance and longevity of your lawn tractor, ensuring that your mower deck spins efficiently and delivers a clean, precise cut every time. This particular spindle assembly is engineered to meet the rigorous standards set by John Deere, offering a durable and reliable solution for homeowners who depend on their equipment for pristine lawn care. When your existing spindle shows signs of wear, such as excessive vibration, unusual noises, or a compromised cut quality, replacing it with a genuine or high-quality compatible part like the D130 Spindle is essential to prevent further damage to your mower deck and to restore your tractor's cutting capabilities to their factory-fresh state, ultimately saving you time and frustration during mowing season. Number 5. UDC Parts GX20072 Deck Belt for John Deere Tractors. Introducing a high-quality deck belt designed for your John Deere tractor. It's built to last, ensuring reliable performance for your lawn care needs. This belt is engineered to be compatible with a wide range of John Deere 100 series tractors, including models like D100, L100, and S100. It also fits select Sabo and Sabre models. With dimensions of 1-2-inch width and approximately 104 inches in length, it offers a precise fit. This ensures optimal engagement with your mower deck. It directly replaces OEM part numbers GX20072, GY20570, and UC32283. You can trust it to perform just like the original. Tested for wear resistance, this belt features low friction and minimal wear volume. You can expect it to provide long-lasting, dependable service. Manufactured under controlled standards, slight length variations are normal and do not impact its performance. Enjoy peace of mind with its consistent quality. What we like. This belt offers exceptional wear resistance, lab-tested for minimal friction and volume loss. If you're looking for a durable belt that will last through many mowing seasons with consistent performance, this is a great choice. It's designed for extended use and reliability. What people say. Fit perfect and looks to be well built. Installed in less than 5 minutes. So far it's held up to 5 mowings on my 1.25 acre property. Belt is very well made, I believe better than factory. Fits great on my JD LT190, very satisfied with the product. Number 4. 810 Deck Rebuild Kit for John Deere L100 Series. This is a comprehensive deck rebuild kit designed to restore your mower's cutting performance. It includes all the essential parts needed for a full overhaul. Our kit features durable blades, spindles, belts, and idlers engineered for longevity. These components are built to withstand demanding use. Specifically designed for John Deere L100, L105, L107, L108, L110, L111, and L118 models with 42-inch decks. It ensures a seamless installation. This versatile kit also fits select Sabo and Sabre models with 42-inch decks. Check the compatibility list for your specific model. Easily cross-reference with original John Deere part numbers like GX20433, GY20050, and GX20072. This guarantees you're getting the right fit. The included belt measures 104 inches in length and 0.5 inches in width, with an A4L profile. It's a wrapped, high-quality belt for reliable power transfer. What we like. This is a comprehensive deck rebuild kit, providing all the essential components to get your mower deck back in top shape. If you're experiencing multiple issues with your 42-inch deck and want a convenient, all-in-one solution, this kit is perfect for you. It saves you the hassle of sourcing individual parts. What people say. My application was a John Deere L118 and the form and fit was perfect. All parts worked well, mower running perfect. Exactly what I needed to rebuild my mover deck. Quality seems good. Cuts great now. Number 3. 810 Spindle Mulching Blade Kit for John Deere 42-inch. Elevate your lawn care with this essential kit designed for John Deere 42-inch mowers. It's the perfect solution for enhanced performance. This kit is engineered for a seamless fit, compatible with numerous John Deere models and OEM part numbers. Enjoy a hassle-free installation. Experience improved cutting consistency and capability. Its design ensures a cleaner, more efficient cut every time you mow. Crafted with precision, the spindle and blades are built to last. Rely on their robust construction for dependable operation season after season. Featuring a spindle height of 7.18 inches and a blade length of 21.716 inches. The 7-point star center hole ensures a secure fit. Designed for a wide range of John Deere 42-inch mowers, including the 100, LA, X, and D series. It's the ideal upgrade for your equipment. What we like. This kit focuses on enhancing your mower's cutting performance with a mulching blade and a new spindle. If you prefer a fine cut and want to return clippings to your lawn for fertilization, this is the option for you. It's ideal for those who want to improve their lawn's health and appearance. What people say. I have used these for one season now and they have held up great, so the value for the money is good. Also, it was a perfect fit and extremely easy to assemble. Excellent. Bolted right on and sounded good. I like the grease fittings also. The spindles are well made. The blades are heavy duty, but should be sharpened before installation. Good profile for mulching. Number 2. Caltric 2 Spindle Assembly for John Deere D130 series. Ensure your lawn tractor runs smoothly with this high-quality spindle assembly. It's designed for a perfect fit, providing the reliability you need for your outdoor tasks. This assembly is compatible with a wide range of John Deere models, including the D100, D110, D130, D140, D150, D160, and LA series. Get the right part for your specific tractor. Designed for a direct fit, installation is straightforward. You'll be back to maintaining your lawn in no time with this essential replacement part. Crafted with durable materials, this spindle assembly is built to last. It meets or exceeds OEM specifications for performance and longevity. Your order includes 2 spindle assemblies, ensuring you have a spare or can replace both sides if needed. This offers great value and convenience. We recommend comparing the provided image with your current unit to ensure a perfect match. This will guarantee you receive the correct part for your John Deere tractor. What we like. This package provides 2 spindle assemblies, offering great value and ensuring you have a spare or can replace both sides at once. If you have a John Deere tractor with a deck that requires 2 spindles, or you want to be prepared for future replacements, this is an excellent option. It's designed for a straightforward installation. What people say. Fit worked great and was delivered fast. Seemed to be well made. Better than the last ones I purchased from a different seller. Once I figured out how to get the mower deck off of the tractor, it was a pretty simple operation. If you have the time, use some sort of penetrating oil the day before to free the bolts from the old spindles. Once out, use the included self-tapping bolts to mount the new spindles. Save $ish up time as a DIY job. Number 1. Pre-greased GY21098 Spindle Assembly. This spindle assembly is a direct replacement for John Deere part numbers GY21098, AUC15811, GY20454, and GY20962. It's designed to fit John Deere D100, D140 series mower decks. It comes pre-greased from the factory, ensuring the shaft, sleeve, and housing are lubricated for smooth operation. The double-sealed bearing is also pre-greased for long-lasting performance. We've included an assembly tool kit to make replacement easier. This kit contains a spanner, a socket wrench screwdriver, and safety work gloves. This part is compatible with a wide range of John Deere lawn tractor models, including the 100 series, D series, E series, LA series, S series, and X series. It also fits specific deck sizes like the 42-inch LA 100. Constructed from aluminum and carbon steel with a 3/8-16 thread size, this assembly is built for durability. It's designed for socket-type installation. What we like. This spindle assembly comes pre-greased with double-sealed bearings for immediate smooth operation and longevity. If you value convenience and want an easy installation process with all necessary tools provided, this is the product for you. It's perfect for DIYers who want a hassle-free replacement. What people say. Spindle fit installed correctly, and runs smoothly. Good unit for my John Deere 115 42-inch deck. I have a John Deere E110 and they fit perfectly. Another important item is that the spindle uses the same 7-point star pattern for bolting on the blades that the original spindles used. It's been roughly 9 months since purchasing these. They are still working fine. I make sure to grease them regularly as required. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.